Hold on, ready? Go.
My son thinks it's funny when I pick his nose.
Okay, do it. Oh, you're going right in there. Here, let's get rid of this. Abby, is that funny? Is that funny? Daddy's hysterical. Maybe you could pick Daddy's nose next.
Oh, we can make it a whole family event. Here, Julie.
Get out of here! Yes, get away from Daddy's finger.
It's family nose picking hour. Oh, it's way up there now.
Oh no!
Oh, it's way up there. See, it's not 11 minutes here.
And poor
Okay.
Bacon is sitting here all by himself. All right, buddy.
We can pick Bacon's nose too. Watch.
Bacon does not care at all. Oh no.